welcome back to my channel. This is Virtuous Budgets. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a woman that lives in my 20s. I'm from Texas and I'm trying to get a hold of my budgeting and my finances and my money. So if you like all things budgeting, cash, envelope stuffing, adulting, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now going along with that, we're going to go ahead and do a paycheck budget breakdown. I'm going to say, so y'all can see what's going on. So we're going to just say September. And this is a previous thing that I did, so it's not like right now, but I'm just showing you guys. So I'm gonna put actual was $332. So my income for that paycheck was $332. So for bills, I'm gonna go ahead and put the counseling, which was $150. I'm gonna go ahead and put Netflix, which is $22. I'm gonna go ahead and put car insurance, which is $207. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my rooms to go bill that I have, which is $88. So, all right, and that's that. So let's go ahead and add up all of this and we'll see how much my bills cost. So if I were to add up all these bills, I would do 150 plus 22 plus 207 plus 88 actually makes my bills $467. So that's that. $467. So you guys may be wondering, hey, I'm over, you don't have that much money. You're right, I don't. So what do? I use my savings account. And as you all know, when I was teaching, I saved up a good amount of money. I kind of knew this was going to happen. I knew that I was saving, making a good amount of money. I was going to have salary pay, and I knew that I wasn't going to, just have that time to do grad school and teaching. So I did save up. So I could save, what you say, like a good savings account, a good cushion, however you want to call it. I did save up a lot, and I knew, have this money so when I'm in grad school and when I'm in my internship, I can have this money to spend. So that's kind of what I do, honestly. I'm just really using my money that I do have coming in. I use that for my bills. I use it for cash envelopes, however I can do it. And I kind of use my savings account to pay my bills for the most part. And then I try to use my cash envelopes and my sinking funds and my savings account to cover what I make from my job. I hope that makes sense. So what I do is I get paid from my job that I have, and the money that I get paid from is not enough to cover my bills. So what I do is I use my savings account to cover my bills, and then I use my money from my paycheck to cover my cash envelopes and my sinking funds and my savings. So I hope that makes sense. It's what I do now. It's only temporary until I, of course, graduate and make better income. So with that, we're going to go ahead and put my envelopes, my sinking funds, and my savings that I have. And we're going to go ahead and, get that together. So for my cash envelopes, it's basically the same thing. I have beauty. I usually budget $25 for beauty. After that, we have eating out. I usually budget $30 every 2 weeks for eating out. After that, we have gas, and I usually budget $55 for gas every 2 weeks. After that, we have groceries and household, and that's the usual $125 every 2 weeks. After that, we have miscellaneous, and that's just kind of like a cushion or, little small things, a bag of chips or juice. That's what miscellaneous is for. And I usually budget $15 for that if I go over. That's what that's for. And then for spending, I usually give myself $30 every 2 weeks. So we're going to go ahead and try to add this up and see how much this costs for my cash envelopes for 2 weeks. So we have beauty, we have eating out, we have gas, we have groceries and household, we have miscellaneous, and we have spending, which my total for cash envelopes is 180. No, 280, I mean. So that's 280. So if we subtracted the 280 from the 332, that leaves me with $52 for my sinking funds and for my debt and for my savings. And this is when you kind of play around with your money and you kind of try to see what will go where. So I'm going to go ahead and put adventure. I'm going to label all these out. And I'm going to go ahead and put $8 in adventure. So $52 is left. I'm going to put $8 in adventure. That gives me $44 left. Then we have beauty, and I'm going to do 10. Which is going to put $34 left. We have car maintenance, which is getting 5. Which is leaving with $29 left. We have clothing, which is going to get 3. Leaving with $26 left. We have gifts, which is going to get 5. Leaves me with $21 left. We have health, which is going to get 9. Leaves me with $12 left. We have miscellaneous, which is going to get $3. We have seasonal activities, which is going to get 5. And then we have spending, which is going to get 4. And there we go. That's all of the $52, which is left. So I would have nothing left, and what I do is I do have 2 savings challenges. Well, 2 things that I also have I didn't put in rollover, which really is just free fun money. And then I also have my $500 savings challenge, and what I do is I use leftover money from my cash envelope. So it's not really in the budget. It's not really something that needs to be allocated from my check, from my paycheck. It's basically used from my money that wasn't spent. So that's how I do my that's how I do my savings challenge. I don't want to put like a hinder on me to save. I just do what I can. So that's that. So as you all can see, obviously, let's go ahead and see what I have that's over budget. Because if my paycheck is obviously $332, we're gonna see how much I'm spending total. So $467 plus $280 plus $52 equals about $800. And then if I subtract that from the $332, means I'm basically over budget about like $500. I'd say, $467, about $500, where I'm like over budget. So that's my paycheck. And as you all know, I do have a savings account. That's why I don't put everything online, because it's like kind of tricky. Budgeting is personal, So what I do is I just use my of course, my paycheck to pay for cash envelopes and sinking funds and things like that. So, of course, what I could do is I could take out counseling. That would save up a lot of money. And I don't really want to take out counseling because I really love it. I really enjoy it. I'm just, and I got to check and see, if I can cut out some money from my cash envelopes, maybe cut out some money from my sinking funds and don't stuff as many or as much as I am stuffing. That's kind of how a budget is. Things come and go, life changes. Everything is so expensive now with inflation and everything like that. So I'm really just trying to make things work. And I'm really happy that I did go ahead and record this video, because you guys can see, like, hey, everybody is really trying to make stuff work. Honestly, that's the best way I can put it. But I did like the fact that I did do this video. I'm not sure how I'm going to post this on YouTube, but if it's going to be separate from the budget bare bones worksheet. But as you can see, bills cost about $938. And with that paycheck, it did not even cover my bills. So of course I had to use the rest of my money from my buffer. So that's basically my budget breakdown. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. Like, it's literally crazy. But I'm so blessed that I was able to save up money while I was teaching. I put a lot of money off to the side because I knew this time would come. I knew it would be to where during my internship with grad school, I'm getting close to graduating, I would not have time to work a full-time job. I knew I wasn't going to be able to work salary income, and I just knew that. So that's why I saved up. You know, that's why you always save. So yeah, guys, so it's a lot of things I gotta look at with this budget and make sure I'm spending money the way I should spend money. That's why, of course, when I do cash stuff, it's not a lot like how it used to be. That's why, because I'm not making salary income right now. You know, emphasis on the right now, because time go by really fast. So yeah, guys, that's basically what's going on with my budget. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to just print out more copies of this within each budget, and I can just really see like what I got going on. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed this budget breakdown video. I bought both of these worksheets from the Budget Mom. They were free. So her bare bones budget worksheet, and then this paycheck budget tracker as well, which is really nice resources to help you with your budgeting journey. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave down in the comments what's going on with your budget. How is your budget going? Are you tracking your expenses? Let me know. And yeah, hopefully we can continue this budget journey together. Please like, comment, and subscribe.